Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Toyota Corolla door handle. First, gather your essential tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and a new door handle assembly. Always ensure your vehicle is parked securely, and for safety, roll down the windows. Before starting any work, disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery to prevent any unexpected electrical issues. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe repair process. Now let's tackle the interior door panel. Begin by carefully prying up the window switch panel, then disconnect its electrical connector. Next, locate and remove all screws holding the door panel in place. Some might be hidden under small plastic caps. With the screws out, use your trim removal tool to gently release the plastic clips around the panel's perimeter. Finally, lift the entire door panel straight up and away from the door frame to remove it. With the interior panel off, it's time to remove the old handle. Gently peel back the plastic moisture barrier to gain access to the handle's inner workings. You'll see two rods or cables connected to the handle mechanism. Carefully detach these. Next, locate and remove the 2 or 3 bolts that secure the door handle to the door frame itself. Once these are out, you can carefully slide the old, broken door handle out from the exterior of the door. Now for the installation of your new door handle. First, insert the new handle into the exterior opening and secure it firmly with the 2 or 3 bolts you removed earlier. Reconnect the 2 rods or cables to the new handle's mechanism, ensuring they are properly seated. Carefully reattach the plastic moisture barrier to protect the door's interior. Finally, align and snap the interior door panel back into place, secure all screws, reconnect the window switch, and reattach the negative battery terminal. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.